So we just picked up the headlights. Smooth transaction. I just used Cash App. Just bootleg at his gas station, but it was the midpoint, and we got some headlights. I'll show y'all later what the ones I have look like now. These are the new ones. Can barely see them, but I'll show y'all once I get home. Y'all can see my new headlights. The wiring looked a little weird on this. They used tape to put it together. I got some other things I want to use to put them together. Something safer. I won't get messed up. Not this brown tape. But in my head I was thinking black to black and then blue to the white. But in this case the white is on the black, and I don't know why, but I tested it out. I connected it to the car real quick just to see if they worked, and they work, so I'm gonna leave it how it is. I'm gonna just put new couplers or connectors. I'm gonna use these solder and seal wire connectors. A T would be ideal, but we don't have any. Alright guys, this is the end result without the tape. A T connector would have worked a lot better, but we made it work. Connected white with black, white, blue and black. So, and then this little cap fell. Some issues going on in there. I kind of fixed. They're getting kind of rusty on the bulb connections. This blue wire, but I fixed it. Now I'm fine, ready to put it on. Just recording a quick before. This one's bad. Hey, how this one looks foggy. I was gonna clean them, but then I saw these on Facebook, so might as well. So this is the before.